Meteorologist Joe Hansel here with a Sunday morning look at your predicting severe weather threats. Watching for Tropical Storm Hannah and Hurricane Douglas. Let's start off with the tropics first. Of course, Hannah, which was a strong Category 1 hurricane the other day. Thank goodness it didn't have another day or so over the open water because it's still tropical storm status, basically diving into Mexico as we speak. Winds at 50 miles per hour from the 7 o'clock in the morning update. Will stay as a tropical storm for at least the first half of Sunday before it eventually weakens into the mountainous terrain of north central Mexico. Southern Texas, though, up to a high risk of flooding. We're talking rain reports around a half a foot to a foot. Locally, 15 inches to 20 inches of rain. Can't be ruled out. Very heavy rain flooding. Risk of severe weather there for tornadoes as well. Let's go to Hawaii. There's Hurricane Douglas, Category 1 storm, so it's weakening. We'll miss the Big Island, but islands like Oahu, Kauai, underneath hurricane warnings for that Cat 1 as it skims northern portions of the islands through the day, then weakens in the central Pacific early this week. Very dangerous surf and heavy rain will be a risk for much of the Hawaiian Islands. Looking ahead in the Atlantic, 90% chance of either a tropical depression or tropical storm forming up within the next 5 days, 60% chance within the next 48 hours. Watches and warnings. We got flood watches, monsoonal moisture bringing in heavy rain in portions of New Mexico, tornado watch out for south central Texas, a lot of heat concerns out west for cities like Portland, Oregon. In many areas, thunderstorms will be possible to wrap up the weekend. Again, there's that heavy rain bullseye in southern Texas, where there's also a risk of severe weather. Marginal risk from about east of Denver through areas of the Great Lakes like Milwaukee, damaging winds possible there. And again, southern areas of Texas, there will be a risk of some tornadoes and damaging winds. Again, it is a tropical storm, has spin in the atmosphere, but again, heavy rain will be a big concern through the next couple of days.